Hey guys, it's Pete with East Coast HVAC. Hope you had an awesome summer and hope you're all enjoying this beautiful fall weather we've got on our hands here. I wanted to touch on how great of a time it is right now to do an installation or replacement of your existing heating or air conditioning system. The first is there are price increases coming in 2025. This year with an upcoming A2L refrigerant change, we're expecting price increases of up to 20%. So those of you that install systems between now and the end of the year, you're going to avoid those price increases. And last but not least, those of you who install between now and the end of the year are also going to get to take advantage of some pretty significant fall and winter discounts that we're offering. So get your system installed as cost effective as possible by doing it in 2024 instead of 2025. There's more information on all these topics on our website, and you also have the ability to book right into our schedule online if you're interested in meeting with somebody and talking about an installation at your home. Visit us at eastcoasthvac.com.